Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport finished in Santorini black. This model features a 3-litre D350 engine with the Autobiography trim and automatic transmission. LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, giving the driver great visibility, especially at night. And this car does stand proudly on 23-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the contrasting red brake calipers. There is an impressive 650 litres of usable boot space capacity within this car, making it very efficient for larger families. There is a retractable parcel shelf as well, and the boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back, we do see the two panoramic sunroofs, and we are then met with the beautiful light cloud and ebony semi-perforated leather seats. They do contain ISOFIX points, and the fold-down armrest does reveal a storage compartment as well as two cup holders. Making our way up front, we do see the continuation of the two-tone light cloud and ebony leather and the rest of the dual panoramic sunroof. We can see that there is additional side support on each seat for extra comfort on longer journeys, and on the doors are the electrical support systems including lumbar support. Taking a look at the two-tone multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, we do see the controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as voice control, and on the right the cruise control and heated steering wheel options. The virtual cockpit does have different driver display options to best suit the driver's preference, including different displays like satellite navigation and media. The main touchscreen infotainment system itself does have useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. You can access radio with FM and DAB as well as standard Bluetooth connectivity. Speaking of Bluetooth, there is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the seats can be controlled on the screen as well with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. Here we can also access the 3D parking camera as well as the standard reverse camera. Underneath the infotainment system itself, there is a retractable pocket which has a place to store your phone. The automatic gear selector glides seamlessly through different gears and is very comfortable to use and hold. Behind the center console, we do find two cup holders which can be retracted to reveal a storage compartment with a USB-C charger. The armrest can also be lifted up, which reveals another storage pocket. And there are fold-down armrests for additional support and comfort for the driver and passenger. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport. For any more sales inquiries, do get in touch with our team now.